Hearing loss is one of the biggest factors causing tinnitus. Get your hearing tested. So even if you can't change the state of your hearing anymore, it's important to know where you stand. And make sure you don't just walk into any random hearing aid store in your local street, but verify that you are checked using a professional soundproofed cabin like the one you see on this image. Now basically two things can happen. One is that your audiologist, the person who is measuring your hearing, says, oh, your hearing is fine for your age. And the other option is that you have more than 40 decibels of hearing loss and that you might benefit from a hearing aid. Now, if you do, definitely try them out. So if you have enough hearing loss that they recommend a hearing aid, then do try it. Because they usually help with tinnitus because you hear more sound from the outside. And so your tinnitus in your head sounds relatively less loud because you now start hearing more because of the hearing aid. Yeah, and getting hearing aids just to play masking sounds, by the way, often happens especially in the US. They recommend this for tinnitus. And this is actually quite an outdated application of tinnitus retraining therapy and is not enough to get tinnitus relief by itself. It must be accompanied with proper counseling.